Hi, welcome back to my workshop, and I'm not actually sure that you guys have seen the updated version, so I've got my workbench now, which used to be there. I now have this. Now what we're going to be building today is a shelf for my brand new orbital sander, which also fits onto my dust extraction. So we're just going to place another shelf for it here, so it's just going to sit roughly where my electric planer is sitting. I used to balance them all and they used to fall all the time, so I decided to make a shelf for it. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I've also got my new table saw, so reviews are coming for the DeWalt 7942, the orbital sander, the planer, and my dust extraction, and maybe a review for the router as well. But I've also got new glue as well, because my other glue was a pain in the ass to do. So yeah, we're going to get it sorted. Now there's going to be no real method to this, so I'm just going to place my sander here, make a wee mark where I roughly want to cut, and I've already sanded this bit of pallet down to 120 grit. So that's why you won't see me sanding in this video. So I'm just going to make a nice line. Now if I really wanted to, I could scale it down to its exact measurements, but unfortunately this machine is quite old, so it doesn't have dust extraction on it, so we just have to live with that. So I wouldn't say that's too bad. Next, what I am going to do is just grab my pencil again, and I'm just going to quick mark, because we're going to rabbet this or rebate this, depending where you're from, so it sits nicely in the on the wood, and we're going to put 3 screws through there, so it should just sit there quite nicely. So we're now going to go over to the table saw. So this next bit is going to get quite noisy, so I might speed it up, but essentially what I've done is I've got a sacrificial bit of wood, the table saw blade, to just cut a thin strip off there. I plan to just line this up, slowly move it in. Fits quite nicely. So next stage is we're going to just put a couple of holes through it. Try and get them all in the middle. Alright, so I've just put some tight bond on here. Just gonna place it, get it all way clean, and I'm going to grab one of my clamps. We're enthusiastic there. Right. It's all clamped. Oh, it's all screwed down now. Hopefully that's not going to move. We get this lid. They're at the same level as well. Right, so my orbital sander can now quite happily just sit here. fantastic, and I'm keeping a sheet on the bottom to keep the hook and loop system. Perfect. Happy with that. I probably will eventually upgrade the sander. This is a McAllister orbital sander. It was only like £25 or £35 or something like that. It wasn't too expensive. It was more just to kind of try and get used to using orbital sanders. I've never used them before, so very impressed. Comes with a dust extraction port that connects to mine, but these will be for the upcoming reviews. Well, if you did enjoy this video, please hit the like button somewhere down there and hit the subscribe button down there, and stay tuned for the next video, and I will see you guys then. Peace.